There's so many variables, like if the world was on fire, like what has decided the end of the world?
I think I'll just scream and maybe get naked.
Is it a zombie apocalypse? Is it a meteors coming from the sky?
I would just probably hug the band, maybe some high fives to whoever's around, end it on a good note.
Most likely my answer would usually just be curl into a ball and cry.
Some pajamas, I guess, just hanging out in my pajamas for the rest of my life.
It's just gonna sound weird if I say tight see-through shirt.
Vans, skinny jeans, and a vest.
I'd be naked for a bit, but when I found the pajamas, I'd be sweet.